Dear Erika, where do I start? I knew the day I met you that there was something, and I knew, and now here we are. I'm usually good at writing this kind of stuff, but I'm in such a state of joy that it's making it difficult to put it on paper. I promise to be loyal. I promise you to try to put my own emotions in check, and promise to always protect and care for you. You have been and will be a part of my life that I didn't see coming, and I'm so glad we ended up this way. You're everything and always will be. I promise you I will always love you and can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Your husband, Bill.
I, William, take you, Erika, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life. I hope today and every day all of our dreams and wishes come true. I want you to know that you are truly one of a kind. If I can give you one thing, it would be the ability to see yourself through my eyes, so you could see how special you really are. I can't wait to see you at the altar, handsome. Love, Erika.